This is the story of Paivi Kosiba. She is a great mom. One day, she saw an embroidery machine at her neighbor and was totally attracted. With the encouragement of her husband, she decided to have a try.
It was just a leap of faith. I think it was price. Price was the big decision because I looked at American machines that were $15,000-$20,000, and I said, "Sorry, I'm not ready." It's like a car. It's like buying a car.
Yes.
And so my husband, he's a fireman. He said, "Just do it. Just try."
Yeah.
We were patient, because it took a while to ship from China because it took like 3 months.
Yes.
After she did a lot of research on social medias, she decides to upgrade from Brother PE770 to buy Mirror 1501.
When I was working on this small machine,
I
was working on the Brother. That's what I started with.
Got it.
And I was like,
P770.
770.
770.
Yeah.
Okay. I saw
Yeah,
that.
P770. And that's what I used, just, doing fun things.
Yes. But for
And when I got
business,
this, I
that is
went,
not
oh
enough.
my God, this is so big.
Now she has got a solid group of customers and business. Paivi is also very creative.
We made these ones. This is a glitter vinyl too.
Oh.
So it's vinyl inside
Wow.
Hand.
I love
Wow.
this.
because the kids like the rainbow.
Yes.
It's so nice.
Rainbow color,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful.
So beautiful.
So be kind.
Yeah.
Yes, be
And that's
kind.
for their
Be kind to the
school.
world.
Yeah.
Be kind to everybody.
Be kind to life. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind.
Oh, good.
Nice.
Yeah, the
So it
children.
was for
Pretty
the
good.
elementary school.
Elementary school.
Oh,
Yeah.
got it.
I studied marketing in international.
Oh, marketing.
Yeah.
Oh, so you were talented in business.
Somewhat. Yeah. I was in banking for 10 years
Oh, banking.
before I had my children, and then I stayed home. But,
Actually. Oh.
and I spent
Great mom. Great
I
mom.
spent 1 year in Australia
you-
studying
take this.
international marketing. Oh, it's a mess.
So that is the schedule for your
Yeah.
office, right?
Not
Today.
really,
Not
but
really. Schedule for
Bye.
everything.
it's life. Sometimes I have to put ballet lessons.
Mother's
Oh,
Day.
God, it's so scheduled.
It's mom life.
Daily routine.
Yes. But most of it's on the computer. I use my my phone.
To like schedule orders.
Schedule,
right?
yeah.
So.
She places a mailbox in front of her house gate for customers to put their blanks and collect finished products. The embroidery business allows her to balance family and business perfectly cause she only needs to work 4 to 5 hours per day.
So
Basement?
yeah. But my husband has a lot of cars, so he has like a car hobby, and he likes to
got it.
repair old cars.
Oh.
And so we're building a garage for his cars, and then I'm going to move my business downstairs.
Like how many orders do you like for a week or maybe a month? Like how many works you need to do?
It depends on what it is. Like I was making those blankets last week. The customer just picked them up. I wish they were here. And those, I was charging $50 each. So if I'm I'm probably doing maybe just 10 pieces a day,
10 pieces a day.
something like that,
So how long like you finish the order?
A lot of times I drop the girls at school at 9. I'm home 9:30, and I'm finished working by 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
PM or AM?
I just work maybe 4 or 5 hours a day.
Oh, 4 hours.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you need the time to take care of the
Yeah, so that's like when you guys were calling, the children are home, we're doing school things and everything. So I don't work full time, but I make enough money
Yes, sure.
to support my family.
一天工作
4到5个小时。
4到5个小时。
对，4到5个小时。
周一到周五，Monday for
From Monday to Friday.
Sometimes Saturday,
Sometimes.
Sunday. Sometimes at nighttime, my husband is sleeping, and
So like this is quite enough so that it will
no,
not be annoying for your
no.
husband sleeping.
No, he doesn't like it. That's why I want to put it downstairs.
Okay, got it.
But when I close the door, I like to work upstairs because then
Yeah.
I can be like in the kitchen, and I can hear it if it's beeping, if the thread breaks. I can hear it, and then I
can
come.
hear it.
Yeah.
Okay, it will be much more convenient for you.
Yeah. But if I'm downstairs, I have to get exercise.
Yeah, just go upstairs.
up, down, up, down.
If you are struggling with how to balance family and business, you can start a home-based embroidery business that can be your new choice.